Today, we've got two things for you. First, a major firmware update. I'll show you how to upgrade and what's new. And stick around till the end, because we're also opening a limited pre-order for our brand new AI kit. In compatible versions, please screenshot and back up your code before upgrading. Click to upgrade and download web USB connection is much faster. After a while, first connection after update will restart the page.
We step off the edge of the fading night into the dawn.
Added human pose training, gesture training, and speech synthesis.
Oh, eternity is not a distant place. It's the silent gravity.
Multi-program support, just like LEGO.
Beyond the ticking of the hollow clock.
Real-time Python code preview is also supported.
Wearing down of ancient rocks.
First two lessons introduce how to use it.
Untamed and free.
Lesson 2 focuses on the usage of real-time video streaming.
Of eternity, forever waiting, forever.
Train your own poses.
Time cannot hold us.
First, the built-in posture can be turned off.
Just you and me.
The overlay in the video can be turned off. Labeled samples.
Fading into eternity.
Labeled samples. Labeled samples.
Oh, eternity is not a distant place. It's the silent gravity of your embrace.
Click to get the latest trained model.
Of the hollow clocks, beyond the wearing down of ancient rocks. We are forever untamed and free, caught in the echo of eternity, forever waiting, forever still. Time cannot.
Right-hand detective, ABC, appears in the log.
Just you and me, drifting through eternity. Yeah, eternity, fading into eternity.
Alright, that's it for the firmware upgrade.
We are
As you just saw, the new firmware already makes a big difference. Next up, we have something even more exciting, our AI kit. And today, excited to announce the first ever global pre-order for it.
forever waiting, forever still, forever still. Time cannot hold us, and it never will. Just you and me, drifting through eternity. Yeah, eternity, fading into eternity.